We had assembled this benchwise in our previous lectures. Now add few other parts in this assembly. Insert another part. Select slider plates. Select contact constraint. Select this phase and this phase. Coincident constraint. Select this hole and this hole. Again select coincident constraint. Select this phase and this phase. Now insert another part. Select slider plates. Select contact constraint. Select this phase and this phase. Select coincident constraint. Select this hole and this hole to give coincident constraint between them. Now select this phase and this phase to make them coincident. OK. Now move the slider from its original position. Here at the bottom you will find a update all feature. Select this and you will notice that all the parts which is constrained with slider is moved to the slider position. This time move screw in X direction, update all, and the result is same, all position is updated. If in case you want to delete any constraint between the parts, then go to constraint in design tree, click on drop down, and here you will find all the constraint which we had used in this assembly. Now select this constraint and delete it. Now select this constraint and delete it. So in this way you can use constraints for assembly in Catia.